Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you a employee payslip management web application. Actually, this dashboard have two user roles, the admin and the employee. So let we get started from the admin. So in our database, you can see here the two users, the two demo IDs, one for the admin and one for the employee. So first of all, I just copy the employee ID and I just enter their details and click on this sign in. So when I click on this sign in, it will authenticate. If it's okay, you can see this type of data, this type of dashboard in front of you. So one thing you will see here, this is a total employees, but here's zero. But on the meantime, in the Google Sheet, we have the employees. But why it's not comes here? I will also explain you the email sent and the pending emails. So let me start to explain you this web application features. So this is a control panel. In the control panel, we just select it from the drop down a particular month. How you can add a more month in the drop down, I will also explain you. I just select a particular month and now here's the employee ID. So what is the employee ID? I just copy this ID and paste it here and click on this search. So this is a single or individual personal employee payslip founding. Okay, for example, you need to find a employee data for a particular employee ID or for one person. So you can easily enter their employee ID and just select here, and you can also see the view button. When you click on this view, so you will able to see here the employee details and the payslip. So if you click on this print, so you will get a beautiful and print on the A4 paper size. Okay, so you can see here the salary slip for the month of the January. So easily you can do that. And if you want to send email this particular pay slip to the user, to the employee directly, you can simply click on this send email and again click on this send email. So it will sending a email to that particular email ID. They will receive them in their own Gmail box. Okay, so now you can able to see here. I have searched this particular data. It will show me the total employees, the email sent, and the current period is January, and the pending emails is not because no email is failed or everyone have their email in our database. Okay, so you can see here the pay slip we have come in our email, and we can easily check out or print out this particular pay slip. Okay, now one more thing. Here you will see a button of load all. So when you click on this load all, so this means all the employees available in our database will be loaded here. So when we go to our January, so you can see here two employees we have. So all the employees we have here, and we can simply press here the send emails. So it will say press select at least one email. So what you need to do, you just simply select all, or you can simply select a particular employee. I just select here all and click on this send emails and click on this yes send emails to all. So it will sending the email. So as of now, you can able to see here the sweet alert pop up is appears, and you will see here the email sent successfully and no email is going to be failed. Okay, now you can able to see here the total email sent from our side is three. One is previous and two is now. Okay, how you can add a one more month? Just come to here, and now you can simply click on this duplicate and give him a name of February. Okay, what you want to give him a name, you can easily give out them. Okay, and just refresh your web application. So when you refresh your web application, it will loading the sheet, and now the February is automatically appears in the dashboard, and you can again load all the feature load all employees available in the February, so you can also see them here. So if you want to apply the search, if you have a more than 50 employees or much employees, so you can also apply the filters here. And if you want to see in the cards, you can also see them in the card feature. Okay, now in the table. Now we will just log out from this application and we will check out the employee panel now. So I just come to here in the email section. Now I just select here this particular username and paste it here. And this particular password is demo1 and paste it here and click on this sign. So when I click on this sign in, as of now, you can able to see here the sheet loaded successfully. The employee ID is automatically comes. He cannot able to edit or change. The ID from the admin is given automatically comes here. In the admin, we have a one more feature of manage users. You can add, edit, or update, delete the users as well. So you can see here, I just selected the particular month and click on this search. So when I click on this search, as of now, you can able to see here, this is searching a employee and now it's found successfully. So you can easily able to view them or send email to the itself. Okay. So hope you like this video, you like this concept. Make sure you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and comment below for the next video suggestions. Thank you very much. Take care. We will meet you in our next video.